Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me show you on how to create an account and use Submagic for free. Let's start this tutorial by opening a browser and then search for the Submagic website. Once you're in the website, click the Try for Free button above to redirect you on the sign up page. Now in here, create your account by entering your information, or you can use your Google account. Once you're done, wait for the email that will be sent to you and then open it to confirm your account creation. It will redirect you to a page where you can customize your experience, and then after that, simply upload your videos from there. The magic will now begin, and it will turn your video into a short form video that is designed for businesses, teams, and creators. Note that upon using the free plan, there will be a watermark of Submagic. You need to upgrade to remove it. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.